Hey YouTube, St. Frank here. Today I'm going to be opening up a hobby box of 2019 Topps Chrome baseball cards. It says you get 2 Chrome autograph cards per box. Nice looking box there with Vlad Jr. on it. That would be cool to hit him. Actually, any of the good rookies this year would be amazing. I know it's pretty tough to hit some of the big autos though, from some online breaks I've watched. And this will be I'm not buying very much Topps Chrome this year actually. I do have that jumbo HTA box and this one. And then I opened some retail blasters. So. Oh, that's some of these right here. So you got to stay tuned and see my videos of those. So let's go ahead and take a look. Actually, I'm going to show what a hobby pack odds. The odds list there. The hobby pack. Alright. Let's see who we get. Really nice looking cards. I like the design this year. It looks good on the Chrome cards. Andrelton Simmons. Nice Mike Trout. And we got a numbered card right out of the first pack. That's a sweet card too. Mike Trout, 84 Topps. And Miguel Cabrera and Ramon Laureano rookie. So that's a good little pack there. Cabrera blue, 127 out of 150. I'll go ahead and sleeve that one since it's numbered. Alright, next pack. Great start. We got Byron Buxton, Matt Boyd, and Justice Sheffield rookie card, 84 Topps. Matt Chapman. Hey, shout out to Diego's Hobby. He's a big A's fan. Let's see if we get any green parallel A's players. That'd be cool. Alright, so we got Jose Altuve, Nolan Arenado, and another 84. I love these 84 Topps refractors. Mookie Betts, they're on that one. There's what the backs of those look like. Throw back to those 84 Topps. Michael K, rookie. Alright, we got J.P. Crawford. We got Aramis Garcia, refractor, rookie. Trevor Bauer, Robinson Cano. We got Francisco Arcia, rookie. Tommy Pham, and a Kikuchi rookie, 84 Topps. And Yadier Molina. JD Martinez, Lorenzo Cain refractor, David Peralta, Lucas Giolito. Next pack. We got Buster Posey, Nick Markakis refractor, Elvis, Carlos Martinez. Alright, next one. Lourdes Gurriel Jr., Hunter Dozier refractor. The refractors look great, I think. Justin Upton and Matt Duffy. They really pop. Jose Abreu, Kyle Hendricks, and a Ronald Acuna Future Stars, and Luis Urias, rookie. We got Josh James, rookie. Patrick Corbin. Oh, there's first auto. Adolis Garcia, rookie auto. Miguel Andujar also in there. So there is auto number 1 for the Cardinals. Autos look great. They did a nice job with this set. Alright, next pack. Corbin Burns rookie. These are cool. Nolan Ryan and Shohei Ohtani, Greatness Returns insert. Clayton Kershaw, Tim Anderson. Aaron Sanchez, Ramon Laureano, Freshman Flash, Jacob deGrom, and Blake Snell. Cedric Mullins. It'll be a minor miracle if I open this box and that jumbo box and not get Cedric Mullins auto. Whoa, we got something red. Don't know if that just is an insert or what. Vlad Jr., DJ Stewart. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. Anthony Rizzo, red 84 tops. That is sick. Beautiful. I don't have any Anthony Rizzo autos. 3 out of 5 on the number there. Whew, that is a nice one. Wish I had a mag over here. I'm going to carefully slip that into a... That is gorgeous. That is probably the nicest looking card I've seen all year. The red 84 tops refractor Anthony Rizzo red. Nice. Well, this was a great box. Nice vet auto. I've never pulled before. Colin Moran. Nice. Fernando Tatis Jr. rookie. Luis Urias Freshman Flash, and Eddie Rosario. I didn't know there was an 84 tops autos. Those are sick. On card. Trey Mancini, Ryan O'Hearn, Gary Sanchez Refractor, Trevor Story. I'm definitely glad. I wasn't sure I was even going to buy any, but I'm very glad I did. Chris Sale, Josh Rogers, Chris Davis Refractor, and Josh Hader. Joey Ricard, Heath Fillmyer rookie, Prismatic, Max Scherzer, Jake Cave rookie. Dylan Bundy, Aaron Nola Refractor, Prismatic Refractor, Matt Olson, Maikel Franco. Thor, Kyle Wright, Dylan Cousins, Future Stars. These are nice looking too. They always look like they're off center to me because of that big border in the bottom. And they are always on the back. They always have that spot where it looks like it got miscut. I don't know if that's normal. All the ones I've seen have been like that. Chance Adams rookie. That's Simon Perez rookie. Jake Lamb Refractor. Kyle Schwarber. Jonathan Loaizaga rookie. That'd be a nice rookie auto. I don't know if he's in here or not, but be a nice one. Taylor Ward rookie. Rhys Hoskins. Kevin Kiermaier Prismatic Refractor. Jose Ramirez. Taijuan Walker. Let's see, look, again, this big border on the bottom there. Carson Kelly, Future Stars. And it's like that on this one too. With that, where it looks like it should have got cut right there, but it didn't. Orlando Arcia, Jorge Polanco. I'm going to quit bringing it out because it's probably supposed to look that way. Just to me, it looks like it's miscut. I'm sure that's not what they were looking for it to look like. Corey Seager, Miguel Cabrera, Jesse Winker, Refractor, Hunter Renfroe, and last pack. Williams Astudillo, Trevor Richards, Prismatic rookie, Chris Bryant and Salvador Perez. But boy, oh boy, great box. We got a Miguel Cabrera blue parallel out of 150. This nice Adolis Garcia from the Cardinals rookie auto, and just an absolutely sick Anthony Rizzo red 84 tops on card auto, and that one is 3 out of 5. Amazing. Stay tuned for more videos.